Hello friends, English dictation 100 words per minute. The world is connected through the internet and computer networks, allowing all places to stay interconnected. This connectivity has resulted in the birth of digital media, which is also known as new media. Para. Every century is known for its distinguishing feature. The 21st century is being considered as the century of the internet and social media. From the shifting dimensions of the media, it looks as if the present time is time for change. New ways of communication and new media have emerged, which have become an integral part of our lives. One such medium connecting people is social media, which many have adopted as an integral part of life. Today, social media is determining several aspects of our lives. How the increasing popularity of social media grips the world can be gauged from the fact that now the number of people using social media in the world has exceeded the number of people who do not use it. According to a report, the number of social media users worldwide has increased to 51% of the world's population. It has also been concluded that the number of social media users worldwide has increased by over 10% in the last years. During this period, social media connected 37 crore 6 lakh people. If its average is taken, then every day 1 million users and 12 people are connected to social media every second. According to a report called Data Reporter, a user spends an average of 2 hours and 22 minutes a day on social media. If the time spent by users on social media is added up, then every day the equivalent of 1 million years is spent on social media alone. The figures are enough to indicate the relevance of social media in the present times. Para. Today, India is emerging as the largest market for the internet and smartphones. According to an estimate of the American company Cisco, by 2021, the number of smartphone users in India is likely to double to about 83 million. Apart from this, by 2022, internet data consumption in India is expected to grow 5 times more than it is today. The number of Facebook users in India is about 300 million, while the number of WhatsApp users is about 200 million. The number of Twitter users has also increased to more than 30 million. India is the biggest market for these media, and through them, fake news is maximum publicity today. The citizens of developed countries faced this situation a little earlier. Stop.